Hi everyone, Zach Pagoff here. Welcome back. Today's hot sauce review is going to be Frank's RedHot Dippin' Sweet and Sour Sauce. So as usual, I've got the sauce right here. And I've also got a club cracker that I'm going to put the sauce on. So we're going to give this bottle a good shaking. Then, we're going to get the club cracker. And now, we're going to put some of the sauce on the cracker. Alright. Ooh. There we go. A lot of it came out here. Here's what the cracker looks like with the sauce on it. And here we go. Cheers! Mmm. That's a good flavor. I like the balance of ingredients. Alright, so for heat, it's not really that bad, like a 2 out of 10. Flavor's pretty good. I'm going to give this one a 7. Alright, so that does it for my review of Frank's RedHot Dippin' Sweet and Sour Sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.